Hi, it's Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. I played hooky from work today. We're spending the day at Disneyland and California Adventure, and we're out having fun. It's kind of overcast with the sun coming in and out, and I didn't want to bring a big kit today, so I brought my small camera kit. I've got the Nikon Z8, my infrared camera with the Nikon 26mm pancake lens. I mean, it makes a camera that's not that big, much bigger than my phone, but I'm able to make amazing, unique pictures. Number one, with the 26mm lens as my lens of choice, and number two, with the Z8 infrared as a camera where I can get that different black and white sepia look that I love a lot, and a lot of you have told me you like as well. So what am I photographing today? I'm photographing scenery. You can see the beautiful scene behind me with the bridge and the roller coasters. With the infrared camera, this is looking spectacular. I'm doing close-ups of people and group shots and scenes and everything. I'm just having a lot of fun today with one camera, one lens, being a photographer, exercising my eye, and getting out and trying different things. Get out, try different things, have some fun with your camera, and make a great picture and share it.